In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a main and subfeed breaker in a top incoming interior. Similar process across all amperages for the interiors. First, we are going to remove the dead front cover assembly off the interior, and then mount the interior in the box. Remove the dead front cover assembly. Do not discard. Set the dead front cover assembly aside and make sure any falling clips are recovered and retained. Mount the interior on the top installation studs first. Press it down into place and hand thread a nut to hold it temporarily. Tighten all connections and apply torque according to the installation instructions. As with all Power Express interiors and breaker kits, they are shipped configured for top incoming. When installing the 600 amp breaker assembly, make sure that the breaker connectors are aligned with the bus connectors. Refer to the installation instructions of the breaker you are installing. Fully secure breaker mounting bracket onto panel board rails using screws provided. Secure the main breaker phase connectors to the main chassis bus using the screw provided. Retain the hardware from the filler cover to install the insert cover. Reapply the metal clips to the chassis rail standoff as needed. Reinstall the terminal shield that is needed over line terminals. Make sure the dead front cover arrangement is appropriate. Remove the blank covers and install the appropriate covers according to the kit installation instructions. Remove and keep the 6 screws from the existing 12-inch and 11-inch blank covers. The 1-inch blank cover should be mounted next to the branch breaker cover. The 400 amp breaker dead front cover has been configured by installing the insert cover and is ready to be installed on the dead front assembly. Insert large plastic rivets into holes located on newly provided main cover. Now we are ready to install the bottom-fed 400 amp subfeed breaker. Align the holes to install the mounting bracket. Fully secure the breaker mounting bracket using the screws provided. Next, align the phase connectors and start securing them to the main chassis bus using the screws provided. Make sure the B phase isolator is properly seated between the A and C phases and not under the bus bar. Repeat this step for all three phases. Make sure all phase connectors are fully secured. Now reinstall the dead front assembly cover. Adjust the dead front assembly cover as needed while installing. The panel installation is complete.